going for a Christmas shopping and I went to the Poundland. And I have seen, the couple of calendars and diaries with the picture of, the cat, dog. I have bought around 10 calendars from the Poundland. So I have listed all of them on Amazon. And within a couple of weeks, all of them got sold out, around the range of 7 to 10 pounds. I have found out that I can get more product from the cash and carry. Every single corner of my house was filled up with the different products. So I have rented 100 square foot in a self-storage. I was going to pick the product from the self-storage, bringing it back to home, packing it. Post office started to refuse to take the parcel because the number of parcel was too high. And then we went to the basket range. On a basket you need to invest more money and more space. But after a couple of years we was able to afford it. And today we are on a 20,000 square foot warehouse. On Amazon we are now top 100 UK brand.